I want to share a quick one. Um, for folks who want to export to Google Sheets, this came up from Capsule. They were bringing up Google Apps Script, which allows us to drop a script here that we can control our Google APIs pretty easily. So if I deploy this script, it gives me a web app URL, which is just a webhook listener. I can put that here in Omni. And I'm just copying the existing Google Sheets in a like workaround that we have where it adds a new timestamp tab to an existing Google Sheet. Then there it is.
Uh, I'm asking so many questions today. Are there any permissions required for the publicness of that sheet for this to work, or is this completely private now?
It I haven't looked into that exactly. This is just like in order for me to get it to work, I did have to allow anyone to access the script,
Yeah.
which seems like a kind of concerning. But yeah, I'm gonna see kind of what the limitations are there for who can access what.
Yeah, my bet is the sheet could be private, but that public webhook is public and non-authenticated. So like it's not like you're logging in as your user to publish the data, but like honestly, probably okay. That's a cool.
I think that's more okay than the sheet being public,
Yeah.
actually. So
Yeah, the sheet is private in the demo right there.
okay, that's great then, because I know for like embedding into it or something like that, it's got to be, or embedding that into other things, it's got to be public. So that's good.